In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Ctrader password. If you've been locked out or simply can't remember your credentials, don't worry. This process is quick, secure, and straightforward. I'll walk you through each step, explain what to expect, and share a few helpful tips along the way so you can get back into your account with confidence. Start by heading to the official Ctrader login page. You can do this in a web browser or through the Ctrader app if it provides a sign-in screen with a link to their web-based recovery. Make sure you're on the legitimate site or the official app to protect your account. Look for the correct branding and a secure connection before proceeding. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link just below the email and password fields. Click it to begin the recovery process. This link is the gateway to resetting your credentials and ensures the system sends the instructions to the right place. When prompted, enter the email address associated with your Ctrader ID. This needs to be the same address you originally used for your account. Take a moment to double-check spelling and avoid typos. If you manage multiple inboxes, choose the one you normally use for Ctrader notifications and platform updates. Next, check your email for a password reset message from Ctrader. It should arrive within a few minutes. If it doesn't appear, refresh your inbox and look in spam, junk, or any filtered folders. Searching for keywords like Ctrader or password reset can help you find it faster. Keep in mind that these links are time limited, so open the newest message and avoid clicking old or duplicated emails. Open the email, click the reset link, and you'll be taken to a secure page to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a long passphrase or a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If available, follow the on-screen criteria and confirm the new password carefully. A password manager can help you store it safely so you don't lose it again. Finally, return to the Ctrader login page and sign in with your new password. If you use Ctrader on multiple devices, give them a moment to sync and update any saved credentials in your browser or app. Avoid storing passwords on shared or public computers for security. And that's it. You've reset your Ctrader password and regained access. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to secure your new login before you dive back into trading.